Hey, these finally made it home. The Jordan 5 Olives, a sneaker we technically have not seen for 18 years. Now, back then in November of 2006 when they came out, they were known as the Undefeated Olives, and they carried a retail price point of $145. 18 years later, now they dropped the Undefeated name and they're costing us $225. While these are nice, I don't know if they're $225 nice. I'll let you guys be the judge, but let's go ahead and hop into this review. Yo, what's going on, YouTube? This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, back again with another episode for you guys. And man, I am highly surprised at how these sneakers turned out. The quality is actually a lot better than I suspected it was gonna be. So I'm excited to bring you this review. But before we get into it, smash the like button for me. And if you're new to the channel, thanks for tapping in. Hit the subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop these videos. Well, in any case, taking a quick look here at the box before we go to the overhead, just wanna read you the label. Label reads, Air Jordan 5, Army Olive, Solar Orange. Let's jump right into it. All right, so here you have the box for the Jordan 5 Olives and a splatter print here with an orange Jumpman on the top with some olive green there. Flipping open the lid, we got the sneakers here. Now I folded back the tissue paper because unfortunately mine was a little bit ripped and I'm sure you guys didn't want to see that, but you can see the tissue paper folded down in the box here, and it is a match to the splatter print of the box itself. But let me move this out the way and let's go ahead and focus here on the sneakers. This is the right shoe here, and first thing I got to tell you is I'm not 100% sure exactly what this material is. I think it's leather. It transitions like a suede, but you know, with all these textured lines and stuff like that in there, I'm not 100% sure what it is. But if you guys know, please inform us there in the comments. Moving on, we got the Army Olive Green here all over the sneaker itself. It comes pre-laced with olive green laces. The lace holes are also olive green. You do have the translucent caging here on the lateral and medial side of the sneaker with that blue tint. The lace lock here is orange, and the Jumpman on the lace lock is an olive green. Maybe a little hard to see there with my light. Unfortunately, it's giving some glare, but trust me, it's there. Reflective tongue at the top here, much like your typical Jordan 5s. You do have an orange Jumpman on the top of the tongue, and looking here on the inside of the sock liner, it is orange inside of there. And on the insole foot pad, it's orange as well with an olive green Jumpman down there at the bottom that you can see. Taking a look here at the back of the heel, we got the orange Jumpman there on the back. Translucent outsole, guys, with the red Jumpman here under the toe area. And obviously we have the orange shark teeth, which basically one of the best touches here in my opinion on the Jordan 5s. Now if you don't know, them orange shark teeth are supposed to be representative of the World War II United States fighter planes, and they would put the shark teeth on there. I believe the airplane was the P-40. I'm gonna have to double check what that is, but definitely an element of World War II aircraft there, guys. Let's go ahead, take a look at the left shoe here. Now we're only taking a look at this because there's no difference to it, just a you know, quality check. But I will say one thing I did forget to point out here is the fact that on the back of the tongue, we do have Air Jordan written in there. Shoe overall is really nice. I really dig the way these came out. I will say this, if you're picking these up in store, make sure you take your pair out and have a look at them, and there aren't anything egregious going on with them, guys, because you know, with this type of material, it is easy for glue stains and blemishes to show up. And you know, once you leave, it's up to the store's discretion as to whether or not sometimes they'll take them back if they look messed up. So definitely take them out the box, have a look at them before you walk out the store. All right, so now that we've seen the Jordan 5 Olives, do you like them? Do you not like them? Did you pick them up? Did you pass on them? Are you waiting to get these at a discounted price? That's a smart thing to do. Now, for those of you who didn't wait and you had to have them, I'm not faulting you for that. Just saying that you would have been able to save yourself a couple dollars with a little bit of patience in there, because you also got to remember there's a bunch of shoes dropping this month, guys. And speaking of which, I do have more unboxings to do for you as the month goes on. Plus, I will be bringing you sneaker news as it comes out. Make sure you stay tapped in. In any case, this is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks Show, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day's a great day to wear your kicks.